First graders, Mrs. Donahue here, and today I am lucky because I get to read a nonfiction story called The Moon. Think about the things that you see in the night sky. Stars, yeah. I see clouds in the picture too, you're right. And the moon, good. I'm glad somebody said the moon. The moon. Think of what you see in the night sky. You see stars and the moon. The moon is the neighbor closest to Earth in space, but it is very far away. The moon is 239,000 miles away from Earth. That's a long way from Earth. On some nights, the moon looks bright and round, but it does not make its own light. Here's my moon. It doesn't make its own light. Light from the sun shines on the moon. The light bounces back to Earth. We only see the lighted part of the moon that faces Earth. The moon looks different every day of the month. Why doesn't the moon look round every night? The moon moves in a circle around the Earth. I'm the Earth. It's moving in a circle around me. As it circles, part of the moon faces the sun. We see the part of the moon that is lighted. That's why the moon seems to change shape. Ooh. We see the part of the moon that faces the what? Sun. Good job. That is a key detail in this story. What does the moon really change shape? You're right. It doesn't really change shape. It's always round like the Earth. But if it's lit up, we get to see the whole thing, and if it's not, we don't. We can see the moon better with a telescope. People once thought the moon was made of cheese. I know I love cheese. Do you think the moon's made of cheese? They saw the face of a man on the moon. Then telescopes helped us see the moon better. Telescopes showed us hills and flat places. They showed craters or big holes too. Here's my next question. Tell me 3 details that they could see with a telescope about the moon. Somebody said holes. Yeah. Flat places and craters. There wasn't really a face on the moon, you're right. Then in 1961, astronauts went into space. In 1969, other astronauts walked on the moon. They got a real close-up look. Nothing grows on the moon. It's very rocky. Astronauts brought back moon rocks for us to see. Maybe one day we'll go to the moon too. Do you think their moon rocks look like cheese? No, they probably look like rocks. The last caption says, astronauts went into space and landed on the moon. So here is your job. You are going to write down 2 things that telescopes showed about how the moon looks. The moon has. Rewind and go back if you didn't hear what the moon has. Then you can hear me reread page 200. All right. When you're done watching this video, remember that you can rewind to hear instructions again. When you're done here, you're going on to Canvas. You are probably still on Canvas, and then you're going to click Submit. When you're done clicking Submit, you can write your 2 or more sentences, and then you are going to be done, and you can click Submit again. Thanks for watching, first graders. Bye-bye.